Yes. Good morning, Leonard.
Morning.
Yes. Okay. Well, your
Okay.
your client has been arraigned again
Yes.
on amended charge.
Yeah.
Your reaction?
Ah.
Considering the fact that the terrorism financing aspect of it has now been expunged.
Yes.
What is it?
Well, yes. As you rightly noted, the matter was even though adjourned earlier for commencement of trial, we were served with an amended charge this morning. And in that amended charge, expunging that part that has to do with terrorism financing and limiting it to possession of firearms. The 5-count charge was read to the defendants, and they pleaded not guilty to all the 5-count charge. It is within the purview of the discretion of the prosecution to amend the charge, and that is exactly what they've done. We have studied the charge, and we are still going to further study it and wait for the date for trial. Yes, we are hopeful that at the end of the day, we are going to come out victorious, and that they are going to be discharged and acquitted in respect of the 5-count charge. Thank you. Yes. My name is Ade Dayo Adeyeye, Senior Advocate of Naija.
Well, don't forget that the prosecution has the right and the discretion to review its strategy over any matter at any point in time. In fact, the law allows the prosecution to amend the charge as many times as possible, and that discretion is unfettered. So we leave it at that. If there's a need to bring more charges, to bring more counts, we will bring it in the course of the matter. But for now, what we have now is the mandate that we are standing on. The 5-count charge is what we have at the moment, and it is on that we are going to commence the prosecution. Thank you.
Have a great day.